Hi, it's Emily from WTI, and this is the stainless steel pots and pan set from ROYDX.
I am loving this high quality stainless steel cookware set. Because everything is made from this really nice 304 stainless steel, it means that it's completely free from any PFAS or forever chemicals, which is really important to me and something I always look for in cookware. I also love that it comes with a really nice dish set, including these compactable cups for camping. The flatware and the spatula are even foldable as well, making everything really compact. The skillet that it comes with is a really nice size, so even though it's compact, you can cook a lot of food in it. And the lid fits either the stock pot or the skillet, which makes it really convenient. When you unfold the stainless steel flatware that comes with the set, it actually makes a really firm, strong fork and spoon, which is nice because I don't love eating with plastic flatware. I also appreciate that they even included compact little hot oven mitts so that you can touch the hot parts. The pop-up cups work really well, and it's so nice that they flatten out. I also really liked the size of the plates. They're a smaller plate, but they fit inside when everything is nested, and it's plenty of food for one. It comes with 4 of everything, 4 bowls, cups, plates, and sets of flatware. Here you can see that I'm demonstrating how everything nests together very well. So it all folds down or is flat already and fits inside the saucepan, which sits inside the skillet. Then you can put the lid on top and fit everything really conveniently into this nice carry case. So it's great for camping. You can even hike in somewhere and cook. It's just such a nice set.
And that's my point of view.